Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. Asian stocks fell with Japan sliding more than 1%, and European futures were also lower after the Bank of Japan reported rumbled markets. Bond yields climbed as a surprisingly strong snapshot of the US economy bolstered the soft landing case and speculation the Federal Reserve isn't done with its fight against inflation. The bond yield, which was around 3.75, 3.80, is now very close to 4%. And the dollar index is also now moving towards the levels of 101.5. It is certainly negative for emerging markets, and that is the reason we saw some profit taking in yesterday's trading session. Also, if we go through with the FIS figure, then they sold more than 3,500 crores in the equities on Thursday. Gift Nifty is down nearly 30-35 points, and while looking at the entire setup of the market, we are of the view that in the short term we are going to see further more correction. The market managed to open higher on Thursday on the back of positive global cues. However, it failed to sustain at higher levels, and it eventually closed below the mark of 19,700. During the day, we saw the levels of 19,600, and today, in case if we see the market is breaking the levels of 19,580, then in that case, we can expect further more weakness towards 19,500 or 450. In the worst case scenario, the support would be 19,300. However, in the short term, we are expecting market to move towards 19,500 and 450, where the market is having excellent support. Also, if we go through with the Bank Nifty, then there also we saw a good amount of profit taking. Despite the market was very close to 46,300, it failed to surpass its all-time high, which was around 46,360. And eventually we saw profit taking and good amount of downward activity towards the levels of 45,700. The next level to watch out for would be 45,500 and 45,200. So there also we are expecting some weakness. Some private banks are going to remain under some downward selling pressure. That is the overall view. But PSU banks could do well in the near term. And for the Nifty IT index, there also we feel that it is stabilizing close to 19,000 or 29,500, 29,700. For investors, our advice is to look for adding some strong companies, good companies with a medium to long term view, as the indexes started stabilizing close to important levels. Apart from these major indices, yesterday we saw activity in pharma stocks as well as real estate and few NBFCs. So broadly, we are going to focus more on the pharma companies and real estate companies. Most of them are reversing from their important supports and crossing their strong barriers. So one thing is very clear, that huge amount of flows are there for pharma companies, and we need to be buyer if there is any correction during the day. That's all from my side. With this, I'm ending today's call. Thank you. Have a great day to all of you.